Hi guys, welcome to another video on Jay's workshop. Basically this car, the customer said the car was not starting, so we tried to replace the battery, check the alternator, and it was fine. So it was a bit confusing what was the problem, but the problem ended up to be the fuel pump. So I'll be showing you guys how to replace the fuel pump now. So this is our new fuel pump. It's an OEM part. I've already replaced the old one. Sorry I didn't show you guys how to replace it. Take the old one out, but I'll show you how to put the new one in, and it'll just be the reverse basically. So first you got to tuck this float in like that, but you've got to move these pipes out of the way, the fuel pipes. It can be a bit fidgety. I'm gonna have to do it two-handed in a second. So I've got it in there. I just forgot to mention that you got to take that rubber seal off the old one and just sleeve it over the new one. Now we have to put this cap on. Tighten it down. Once again, it's a thing that I'm gonna have to do with two hands, so 1 second. So I've just hand tightened the ring that goes on the outside, like this little screw on cap. I've plugged in the two fuel lines and I popped in the connector. What I'm gonna just do now, before I tighten it all up properly and put the cap back on, is try and start the car and make sure it's all working.
Yeah,
I can hear the fuel pump now.
This is a beep, you know, which I used to get it before.
Yeah, you can hear them. There you go. Started up first time. So we're just gonna let the fuel run through. And yeah, if you ever have a problem where your car is not starting and your battery is fine and your alternator is fine and you've checked all your fuses and all your relays, just get your fuel pump tested out. So yeah, hope this video helped. Thank you guys.